How to fix NFC is not working in Honor Magic 7. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, you can see the option more connections. Now click on more connections. And then on top you can see the option NFC. Now click on NFC. And then turn on your NFC from here. Now turn on your NFC. After turning on your NFC, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down and click on system and updates, and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update the latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and click on reset. On top you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings and then again click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.